Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rae Wangari. I'm here to show you how I make my amazing hibiscus oil, which is an oil infusion which is going to take about 2 months. What I usually do is I do a hot oil infusion of the hibiscus flowers, and then I allow it to stay the oil and the hibiscus flowers to infuse for a couple of weeks, just to make sure that the infusion is strong enough. This hibiscus oil is amazing for using on your skin, on your hair, and also for making cosmetic ingredients. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and you can try to make this oil at home. Just get your hibiscus flowers, grind them up in a grinder, and then you can infuse that in any oil of your choice. So I'm going to show you how I go through the process, and it's a very quick, easy process. You can use that oil as soon as you finish infusing it with the hot oil, but I prefer to keep mine for a couple of weeks so it can be a lot stronger. Please go ahead, subscribe to my channel, and leave a like. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next one. Hey guys, so this is my hibiscus tea which I have. These are the full flowers. So these are really dry and crispy, and they're very easy to grind to powder. This is amazing for making tea because it's full of vitamin C and antioxidants. So you can grind your hibiscus flowers and this is essential step so you can make the oil. So I'm going to grind these flowers, and then I'm going to make my oil with the powder. So you can get this in the description box. This is hibiscus tea, full flowers, and you can try to make this at home. I shot the intro to this video and the outro on the same day. So today is the day I'm actually doing the infusion, like the sieving, not the infusion, the sieving. So it's already been infusing since 2021. This is 2022 January. It's towards the end of January, so I'm actually sieving that oil. It's been infusing for 2 months, and today is the day that I'm showing you how I'm going to sieve the hibiscus oil into this bottle, and this is the bottle that I'm going to use for oiling my scalp. Once you put your hibiscus oil into your oiling bottle, you can add any kind of essential oil that you like. So I'm going to put my oil in here, and then I'm going to show you which essential oils I'm going to add. Alright? welcome back. So today I want to show you what essential oil blend I'm going to be putting into my hibiscus oil. You can use it as it is if you don't want to add any essential oil, so if you don't have it, or if you want, you can add fragrance oils, but I want to use essential oils because of the added health benefits for the scalp and hair growth. So for today I want to try a different essential oil blend because lately I've tried peppermint, I've done tea tree and rosemary. So those were the 3 oils I've done in the last 3 months. So I like to change up my oils, so this time I want to do lavender. I have a big batch, and this is my lemongrass. This is pure essential oil, so I'm just going to pour it directly because I don't know where my dropper is right now. So I'm just going to be generous with my essential oils, but not too generous. I don't want it to irritate my scalp. So that much. That's my lemongrass. I want it for the uplifting fragrance and also to stimulate my scalp. And then lavender is antibacterial and it also helps you to sleep. So this is really amazing for the night time when you're just about to sleep, because that's the time I usually oil my scalp just before bed. I do it twice a week, on Sunday and Wednesday. That much is enough. So I'm going to check my fenugreek, my hibiscus oil. This is hibiscus, right? Shake it. So I'm going to use this right about now. I just want to do a little bit of work around the house, and then I'm going to use this on myself. So if you want to try my hibiscus, it has lavender and lemongrass. It smells so good, wow. So I'm going to use this on my scalp, and if you'd like to try this, just make your order. I'll leave a link to my hibiscus oil in the description box, and then we do delivery to your office or to your home. It smells amazing. Thanks again for watching. If you'd like to get this, as I said, description box, please like my videos, subscribe, and please come back for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.